bright red tomato. I am big round tomato.
I am tasty tomato.
I am juicy tomato. You can make our juice with me. How about you believe I love tomato? You can make a tasty hamburger with me. Also I have a lot of vitamin A. I love tomato. How about you, Suni? I love tomato. You can make a tasty sandwich with me. Also I have a lot of vitamin D. I am bright red tomato. I am big round tomato.
I am tasty tomato.
I am juicy tomato. You can make ketchup with me. How about you, Joy? Oh, I love ketchup. You can make a tomato spaghetti with me. Also, I have a lot of vitamin C. We love tomato. How about you, Cody? I love tomato. You can make a fresh salad with me. Also, I have a lot of fiber mineral. We love tomato. How about you, then?
I love tomato.
You can make a tomato soup with me. Also, I have a lot of calcium for strong bones.
We love tomato. How about you be?
I love tomato.
Let's eat some food made of tomato together. We will become very strong and very healthy.
Bye everybody, see you next time. If you like video, write down comments. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up.